Hello everyone! In this short video, I'll show you how to remove an oil seal without disassembling the part of the engine where it's installed. For example, in my case, there's an engine where the camshaft seal started leaking motor oil. To remove this seal according to the manual, you need to take off the valve cover and then pull the seal off the camshaft. However, there's a quicker and easier way to do it. You can remove the oil seal using a regular self-tapping screw. You need to screw the self-tapping screw into the center of the oil seal. Screw it in gently, just enough for it to hold, otherwise you might hit the metal. Sometimes seals can be tight and the screws can get stuck in them. In that case, you should first drill a small hole. Next, use pliers to slowly pull the screw out of its seating. Don't pull too hard, otherwise you might fall from the sudden release when the seal comes out. Use 2 screws to make the job even quicker. In that case, screw them in on the sides. This method has been tested by many mechanics. It only takes a few minutes. For someone who repairs their own car, this method will be easy to use, and the time saved can be spent on other tasks.